Do you ever get tired of your tailgate on your truck? You go to open it, and it's really heavy. It drops. Maybe somebody else opens it for you and they just let it go. And it's got a hard drop to it. You want to make that easy? I'm going to show you right now. We're going to install this tailgate assist. What it is it's a shock we're going to install to the tailgate and the truck. And when we go to open it, just drop it. It just drops nice and easy. We won't have to hear it slam anymore. So let's get to this tailgate assist install. Okay, so before you continue, you want to make sure you got all your parts. So you got your top ball mount plate, you got your bottom ball mount plate, you have your shock, you have your blind nut, which is also a nut cert. You're only going to be using this part here. I'll show you all about this and teach you about it in a second. You got the screw and you're ready to go. So I took a piece of white paint. As you can see, I got some on my finger. And I marked the nut here because we're going to make 9 full 360-degree turns. And we want to make sure that we count each one of them so we don't over tighten this because we'll wreck the threads. We'll strip the threads and then the nut won't hold into this hole. So you're going to take your Allen key, which is an M5, and you're going to take, this is a 10mm wrench, and we're going to start making 9 clockwise turns. Hold that Allen key good. So after 9 full turns like I just did, if this nut is still loose, as you can see, this is not loose at all. It's perfect, and I am not going to do any more turns. Now I'm just going to back this out and the nut will be there in place. All right, now we're going to install the bottom ball mount plate. Right over here, we're going to use that screw. And we're going to take an M4 Allen key or wrench to tighten this up. And you can tell that our nut that we just put in there is holding very snug because nothing's letting go. Everything's good and tight. Okay, now we got to remove our tailgate cable. We're going to undo the bolt here with a 13mm wrench. Okay, now we're going to take our top ball mount plate. So we're going to put that here. We're going to take our cable and our bolt and use that to mount this. Make sure your mount plate is vertical. Hold it in place because it'll want to turn. And snug this bolt up, this cable bolt. Okay, now we're going to take the larger part of the shock, the fatter part, and insert it here on this nut. And we'll take the skinny part and put it on this. All right, let's test out our DeeZee tailgate assist. Perfect. Guys, if you want to get one of these DeeZee tailgate assists, works really good, easy to install. You saw how quick that was. Go down in the description below in this video. There'll be a couple links and you can get your own tailgate assist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.